Hoysala Temple or God Shiva Temple, Halebeedu, Karnataka State, India. Hoysala Temple or Shiva Temple, also referred as the Halebeedu Temple, is a 12th century Hindu temple dedicated to God Shiva. It is the largest monument in Halebeedu, a town in Hassan district in the state of Karnataka, South India, and the former capital of Hoysala Empire. The temple is of Hoysala architecture. The temple was built on the banks of the large man-made lake Dwarasamudram and sponsored by King Vishnuvardhana of the Hoysala Empire. Its construction completed in 1160 CE. The identical temple built on a common platform but connected internally. This temple is 32 km from Hassan city, about 226 km from Bengaluru, 16 km from Belur, and 149 km from Mysore. The artwork in Hoysala temple is damaged but largely intact. Within a few kilometers of the temple are numerous ruins of Hoysala architecture. There is a museum nearby the temple. Here we can see the damaged parts of the temple with arts. There you can see 1500 sculptures and artifacts of the Hoysala era. The temple opens on 6:30 am and closes on 9 pm. No entry fee. Important festival is Shivaratri. It will take 4 hours to visit the whole temple and surroundings. The Hoysala temple is surrounded by ponds, mandabas and lakes. It is well known for the sculptures and architecture of Hoysala period. The outstanding beauty of the sculptures not seen anywhere in the world. The best time to visit the temple is in February for Shivaratri festival. The nearest airport is Bangalore and Mysore. From there one will have to reach the temple by taxi or buses to the temple. The nearest railway station is located at Bangalore and Mysore, and there are various trains running from Hassan to Mysore and Bangalore. From the railway station we can reach the temple by taxis or buses. The temple is very close to the Halebeedu and there are regular buses flying from Halebeedu to Hassan. One can easily take a bus or train to Hassan from Bangalore. This temple consists of 8 rows of friezes carved with elephants, lions, horses and floral scrolls. Its walls are adorned with intricately carved Hindu deities, sagas, stylish animals, birds and friezes depicting the life of Hoysala kings. The Nandi Mandapa is positioned right in front of the temple because Nandi is the typical of God Shiva. There is a huge Nandi richly decorated with stone ornaments. At the back there is a shrine of Surya with 7 horses. It is said that the temples were built by renowned architect Jakkanna Acharya and took more than 80 years to complete it. He had also built the Belur temple also in the same period during the King Vishnuvardhana of the Hoysala Empire. Different pillars have different designs on them. The minute carving work of stone sculptures is very wonderful. Every sculpture is different from one another. You can see different designs and actions of ladies, angels, gods, animals, etc. here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the video in YouTube and Facebook page Ram's Travel Diary. Thank you.